Welcome back to the channel. So originally I was going to go to a meet this morning. It was from 8 to 12, I believe, at Bulletproof Coating. But I decided to take a much needed self-care day for me and the E90 M3 because today we're going to be doing some refreshes to the exterior. Gotta wash the car really quick because it rained in California and it's freaking filthy. Like you can just see right here. That got carbon in there. So quick wash is done. We're not drying the car off as usual. So it's a few hours later, but we're gonna get started with the exterior refresh on the E90 M3. The main mechanic, as usual, is going to be Calvin. Here's what we have in the works for the E90 M3 exterior refresh. We are gonna be putting on the spec ring carbon fiber mirror caps. I do have a discount code ABC Garage for 10% off. This is the 3M we're gonna use to put it on. The current adhesive is really bad. Then we have an OEM replacement for the windshield wipers. I didn't replace my wipers even though they're pretty clapped because it doesn't usually rain in California too much. But recently, for some reason, it has been raining a lot. So yeah, we're gonna change that up. And then lastly, we have some new lugs. So we're gonna be replacing these old nasty ones on the TEs and it should look really, really good. But here's how it looks before. And then you can see my windshield wipers are really toast. So here are the lug nuts that I'm going to be going with for the E90 M3 and the TEs. Project Kics. It's the Neo Chrome one. But yeah, it should look really good. It's JDM as fuck. But very on theme with the wheels. Just a quick close-up of how it looks right now from all the angles. Should look really good once these are on. Everyone in ABC Garage is here. We're out here
wearing a grandpa sweater. Don't mind that shit.
Someone Paige O'Malley.
You're stupid, bro.
Bro's watching too much Grey's Anatomy talking about Dr. O'Malley.
Yeah.
Those look good.
It's not bad.
So they're on. It's looking solid. Very, very nice. Highly recommend this one. I have it in the description. Amazon link because I did buy it on Amazon, but these look really good. It's a nice little touch. So just a comparison, you know, checking out these versus these dirty, dusty ones. It's really shiny, really old and dull. So if you just want to have a quick little compliment to your wheel setup, these are definitely the way to go. Especially if you want to keep that JDM theme. I don't know what you guys feel about, you know, JDM wheels on a Euro car, but I think they look good. So here are the old lugs and here are the new ones. A nice touch, like I was saying. So one side is done, but now we got to do the driver's side, which still has the crusty lugs. Let me know if you guys are running a different lug setup on your wheels, but this isn't entirely necessary. It's honestly just an addition. It's just to kind of make the car look better and also have more protection on the wheels. I'm also going to be selling these because I'm not going to keep the wheels. I'm eventually going to go BBS RIAs. I don't want to run a wheel setup that requires spacers to look good. So once I get coilovers and some adjustability, I'll be getting a more aggressive fitment. But yeah, if you want these, DM me. It'll be for cheap, especially if you come from the channel. We got all the lugs on there, all four corners. It's looking really good. I'm really happy that we got this upgrade. Like I said, it's not a necessity, but it does give your wheel setup a little bit more shine, more, you know, flavor, I guess. But yeah, Neo Chrome, Project Kics. Now we're gonna head over to the mirror caps. We're gonna put the carbon fiber mirror caps. Let's see how long it takes. It shouldn't be that long. And then after that, replacing these, and that should be it. We're gonna use 3M. The adhesive that was provided wasn't that good, so we're gonna have to supplement it with this. But we're gonna see what Byron, you know, how he does it, how he gets this put on. Show us your work of art. So give us your reasoning on what you did.
It's a little ghetto, but we got like the main areas, main edges, and then kind of in between the not so good job that Jeremy did.
Chill.
Damn it, brother.
Alright.
Anyways, yeah, we got this on the edges. And then it's yeah.
Alright, put it on there.
Let's go. I didn't want to get the 3M too close to the edge though, because I don't want it showing. So
we only got like one chance at this.
Hold on. Damn. Hold up.
How are you feeling about this?
It's pretty good. We're right on the edge right here, so that's good. Fitment's not bad. This is the final look.
Not bad. It's not bad. You can see us all in the reflection of it. But yeah, we'll go over to the other one and see how it looks. Got the OEM one. Then you have the carbon.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. Last thing for the exterior refresh, we got these wiper blades. I did also get them on Amazon, so hopefully they'll work well. I don't think you need brand name for windshield wipers, especially in California. It's not like it rains too much, but lately it has been. So I figured might as well fix these.
Oh, them shits are green.
Are they actually?
The fuck? Oh, that's just the cover.
Oh, okay. But yeah, as you can tell, this one's like already really clapped and sun treated, so it was due for a replacement. Here are the windshield wiper blades, the old ones. So what are we gonna do?
Fuck this shit.
Oh my god! We got it out in somewhat of sun, but there's some clouds. But here's the spec ring carbon fiber mirror cap. Looks pretty good, fitment's pretty good. And then here are the Project Kics lug nuts. Looks really good. Nice with the red valve stem. But yeah, overall I'm pretty happy. Did a quick, refresh for the E90. Got new windshield wipers as well. So what's next for the E90 M3 is probably going to be some carbon fiber side skirts, and then I have to figure out what I want to do about the rear, whether we do a GTS wing or a GT4 wing. But yeah, for now, cosmetically it's mostly done. Like I mentioned in the other video, the next wheel setup I will do is going to be the BBS RIAs, but I need coilovers first, so we're gonna get those done, and then I'm gonna sell these wheels for the BBS. Just let me know what you guys think of the new changes, but I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty good in the sun as well. A little bit more carbon to, spice up the exterior. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this little quick build update, but I'll see you in the next upload.